recording. Let's get this up on the screen. Let's go to Science 9 and let's turn on the projector. Okay, so on Friday, you are going to have your test, and it will be partially multiple choice and partially written response. Okay? If anybody wants a printout of this after I write it, you are welcome to it, but you don't feel any obligation to write it down. It's just for your information. Okay? So there are going to be multiple choice. And I am going to teach you how to use these sheets, the Scantron sheets. If you've not used them before, I will teach you how to use them. Don't panic. I will also have you circle the answers on the page. So if you make a muck out of this, just because you make a mistake or you have a panic attack or whatever it is around this, don't worry. If you have circled it on your page, I am good with that, okay? But it is worth your while to learn how to use these. They're not particularly difficult, but what you're going to need on Friday is you're going to need a pencil, okay?
How is it erasable time?
No. And the reason is that, do you guys know what the pencil lead is made out of?
Graphite.
It's made out of graphite. Anyone know what element graphite is? That's okay. That's our next unit. Do you know?
Graphite.
Graphite. Yes, but what element is graphite made out of?
Carbon.
It's made out of carbon. Yes. Okay. Carbon in the form of graphite is somewhat shiny, so it's a bit reflective. So what happens is when it passes through the machine shines a light on it and it reflects back if you have the pencil on it. If you've got it in pen, pen does not reflect. So pen won't work. Now on the bubble sheet, this is for my grade 12s, okay? You'll have options and it'll say A, B, C, D, and E. So what you're going to do is on your test paper, you're actually going to circle what you want, just in case the bubble sheet does not go well. Okay, then you've got your backup plan. But let's say you chose C. Okay, on your sheet, you're like, I like the answer C. What you're going to do is you're going to take your pencil and go like this. Don't go up and down, because apparently it doesn't like up and down as much. The machine says, ah! Okay? You can, if you want to, some people draw like a little circle on it, but I find that just going back and forth a few times is good. That works. Okay? So it's pretty straightforward. And if you have problems with it, you can let me know. If you're like, this is going to give me anxiety and I cannot deal with it, let me know. And I can just, not do it for you or whatever. But, most people don't have a problem with it. Okay, but like I said, if you're like, no, that's just going to send me over the edge. I do not want to send anyone over the edge. Okay, so multiple choice in pencil. Then there's going to be some written response. Some of it's going to be like read a paragraph. And then you're going to analyze, you're going to tell me what information you got from that paragraph. What is the hypothesis? What is the experiment? That kind of thing. Do you know what I mean? Right? So you'll read a paragraph and you'll pick things out of it. You're going to look at some data. And you're going to be like, okay, what's my independent variable? What's my dependent variable? What's my controlled variable? What other things should I control? That kind of thing. Okay? So this would be like identifying steps of the scientific method. Looking at some data, that would be like the different variables. Why is it not writing properly? Come on, there we go. Response. There's going to be, you're going to do a graph. And it's going to be marked just like the green sheet I gave you last day. So if you weren't here for the green sheet last day, that's what it's going to be marked like, okay? So I noticed a lot of you today, many people, when they did their graph on page 117, did not have a title. So don't forget your title, okay? Don't forget to label your axes. Don't forget to draw the line, okay? All of those good things. So there's going to be a graph. You are going to be asked to interpolate / extrapolate. You will be expected to know all of the vocab, right? So that would include things like, you know, on that first vocab quiz, it was like, what do we use to measure mass? What do we use to measure weight? Which one is affected by gravity? You will be given, in the multiple choice section, it could be really just about anything related to what we have done. But I do have some practice multiple choice questions here for you, so you can get used to what that's going to look like, okay? And then there are a couple of other questions in here as well. If you would like this today, you are welcome to get it today, but I thought maybe Wednesday would be a good day to do this. And then you've got Thursday to study, and then Friday is your test. So would we like this on Wednesday? Okay, yeah. If you would like it today, you can have it today. Anyone want it today? Yeah. Everyone wants it today. My God. Okay. I'm going to give it to everyone today. Okay. That way, if you want to study it tomorrow, right, tomorrow day off, what the heck I want. Okay. Your questions on Friday. Friday.
So we can retake the test.
You cannot retake the test. You can do corrections with me. Okay?
And take the test. Alright guys, are you ready?
Is this like
Okay. All the vocab. Oh, there's going to be measuring questions too. If you are doing the enriched stuff, I think most of you can count the number of sig figs, so you can definitely get those, okay?
crazy amount of tools.
There will be, like those in your measurements, they're pretty easy. But if you want to do the extra counting sig figs where it's like with the confusing zeros, okay?
Counting sixes.
Counting sig figs with zeros,
Oh no.
okay? So there's going to be some of that. There's going to be scientific notation.
That was, is it just okay, yeah, I did that. It's like the one with like the pretty, like really painful to look at.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did anyone do anything with the equipment? I can throw some equipment on there. You don't have to do any of this, right?
I want to do it.
Yeah. It's totally up to you. And I think that's all that was in there, really, to speak of.
The equipment, some extra words, like I think it was stuff that you probably took last year, like was it things about chemistry, a little bit of chemistry, surprisingly.
I'll take a look through there and just make sure.
It was like, what was it, like solute,
Oh, solvent, solute. Yeah.
That
Don't
thing.
don't worry about those ones.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Because I did that.
Yeah. Are we good? We understand what's happening on the test? Okay. We don't have a lot of time left today. So my proposition for today is that, oh, that's right. I don't have my book with me. So let's find here what we've got. So you could start by doing 1.5F, which is on pages 121 and 122. Okay, and then, oh, I know what else. I know. I'll find the other thing. So you can start with that. Okay? Yes.
I big skeletons in the ground. Now I really want one of the brownies I made.
We could, folks, we could actually do the test on Thursday if you want to. No, we're happy with Friday? Okay, Friday's good. Friday's good. But we will be starting the other units. Okay, the next unit. We're not going to just study for the next 7 days, right, in class. I know.
Then there's as it's starting, my charger was working. My charger was I still went because it keeps Look at things. I don't think my parents very well. Then if I do it, yeah. So this group chat I'm friendly with kids who are all like kids and friends our age, and it's like me and my brother. And she's talking about like this and like some person my brother's in this group. I'm like, that's chill. The teacher's gonna come. Okay, I'm gonna.
You can read this out loud, right? And sometimes.
We're probably one. What's the one?
We're actually talking.
Not really. I draw only on this specific sketchbook for Vivian, I get to work. It's gonna be fine. Vivian, we're gonna have to move over. We're gonna say something. Okay, what's our question? Will thou see real Saturday? You don't want to draw that. I don't really get it. Ah! Oh. Well, you guys did that last year and I think it was supposed to do it. And there's not too. So there's. Look around. Okay guys, let's answer this together. Jamie wanted to answer the question, will flower seeds grow faster if plant food is added to the soil? Yeah. Fine. Halloween is independent variable. So I'll just draw the random tree. And how is it so?
Yeah, it's white.
Yeah.
I think.
Food.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I was like, yeah.
See, for the vertical balance. Oh yeah. As I, experimental treatments. Yo, Vivian, I know you're doing so the control variable. So they don't include. So they.
You're done? It's nothing flat.
Oh. So they don't what is going on over there? That was so weird. Plant, the flower seed, pots, flower seed, pots, flower. Wait, tools? Okay. Pot, flowers. Wait, measuring cup, measuring tape. Yeah, I think that's it.
Sun.
Some. Okay. Last page. Okay.
How many more? Wait, is it like what?
Wait, anyway, experiment deal and slash all you know, it's been, you know,
Very good. Okay, excellent. There's something. It is pages 121, 122, homework due.
what is changed?
Okay, let's get rid of this. That's yesterday.
What's changed? What is changed? Consider the title for the graph in 11D. What's the title of Okay, so you look at the title here. It's the word. It's correct. Is it in
Guys, I put on my seat. We got the down, we have the Thanksgiving dinner.
Should we start with?
That's how I knew that we're unhappy with what you want, so I want you to be
Should we do like week 1 and 2?
well, down here and be, so.
That is technically time.
No,
Okay,
no, nobody gets back on that thing.
5 weeks.
Change in height.
Wait, let's yeah, that's fine. Now we start with height of flower plants.
Oh, no. That's okay.
Oh, yeah.
There's so many weeks.
And for here, we're gonna go.
Okay, yes. He's raised me in my
Okay, let's start. Week 1. I'm still doing numbers. What did you I don't know. I couldn't see it.
Okay.
Okay, that's one. For the next slide, I'm going to do
Each day, shake it up, water. Obviously, you can do it so fast. Draw the window. I'll be right back. Okay.
Okay. Now we draw the line.
I don't know what that.
This is not a level.
Folks, where is it? There we are.
Okay, I did one line.
On the last page, page 122. On page 122, question number 10. So if you don't have your book open to 122 right now, you might want to take a look at question number 10 because I do not know either what this change in height thing is at the end. So you can just cross that part out. If you figured out something for it, God bless you. I have no idea. what I was thinking when I put it there. But if you figured out something, that's awesome. Okay. I don't know why it's there really. Okay. So just question number 10, just that last column there. The rest of it is perfectly good. Okay.
Down the graph. Time for me to take a break.
Or no, wait.
Get my phone. Have.
Yeah, don't come to school tomorrow. Okay, otherwise you'll be late. And the doors will be locked.
Fine. Thank you.